started 5 minutes ago. It came down really heavy. Oh my god, it's right up to the top. Oh!
Hello, I'm Tatty. I do videos every day on gardening, on golf, and right now I'm transforming a neglected rental property into a golf resort. So join me every day for new content and to watch the flooding, which is currently happening.
Hey, it's 6:30 in the evening. It's drizzling, just drizzling, and I thought I would do a little experiment. I'll show you the ground first. So the little experiment is probably the worst time to do it because light is going away. Worst time to do it for content. So I'm going to switch off the pump again because it's not been raining hard today. The water level is the standard 3 feet down. I can't get it any lower than that with the pump that I'm using, and it's been on all day, all night. Well, night time it switched itself off or somehow, don't know why. So I'm going to turn it off now. Might as well film it live action. So bang, and as I am filming this, the rain has started to come down heavier. So it's just started raining and I've turned the pump off. That's not the smartest thing to do at all, but why not? Content, isn't it? Right, mosquitoes biting my hand, so bye-bye. It's 7:45. The rain started 5 minutes ago. It came down really heavy. It's kind of not so heavy just now, but I think I better turn the pump back on because that's, oh my god, it's right up to the top. Oh no. Right, let us switch back on. Light is on. Oh no. And down it goes. Go down, go down. Okay, I'm going to go back inside and eat my dinner. This is torrential. Good morning, it's another new day and it's kind of sunny a little bit earlier. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. We're looking okay. Still have water there. Lots of water there. Still muddy here. Bit of collection. The sand bunkers look dry. The pump is on. Right, time for the water level. Still the same 3 feet. Nothing special. I did a little shot yesterday to see if these were bushes. Is that a bush? Is that a bush? Because there's absolutely tons of these. Where the heck are they? Right, these are bushes, I'm pretty sure. But what about these ones next to it? Right, don't know, I'm just letting them grow. But that's a bush, or a hedge bush. Okay, another example here. Yep. Okay, so here we are. There we are. Lots of soggy ground. It's a little bit soggy, but that's okay. The water isn't coming up high, but the pump is working overtime. It's still good. The light was on last night. I haven't shown you a clip of that yet, but very easy to see the water coming out of the pipe here. Here's the water pipe that I promised a video of. And here's a mango. Looks like the mango's leaking water. Oh no! So here's the pipe. doing its job. Perfect. So yep, still going as normal, but I'm thinking, because over the wall here, I'm thinking the water might be coming back. Oh yeah, that is wet. Don't want to do that. It's just hell of a wet over here. I think I'm going to stop the pump again. I'm going to stop the pump again because it's a lake over here, lakeside golf, and the water hazard green. But okay, that's what I'm going to do, switch it off and see what happens with the water level. Just about to do it, and I looked at the clouds. It doesn't look great. Yeah, a bit of blue here, but it doesn't look the best. But, too many buts. We're just going to do it anyway. Okay, bang, it's off. So, yep, 3 feet. And we'll check on it in 1 hour. It is 12 o'clock noon. Today is Wednesday. It was nice and dry, apart from the little bits there and that big bit there. The big bunker is almost dry. So let's look at the water level. Dun, dun, dun. Oh no. So we are right at the top again. I mean, we're like 2 inches from the top. Okay, but I'm okay with that. I am okay with that because we're not wet here. We are not too bad. Good. That is a sign of success. It's a lovely sunny day. It's looking good. Things are drying up on top, as they should be in a big hot sunny day like this, but I'm not sure. I think it's come up a little bit, but I'm not sure. Let's keep an eye on it. Not a lot happening today in the ways of rain or flooding. The water was up to the top. We're just sitting at the same place, like 3 inches down. But I've turned the pump on and I am filling up the koi carp pond. In the future, this will be a natural swimming pond. Let me show you. The filter broke, so I need to get a new filter. But there's koi carp in there. There's some other fish like mollies and stuff like that. I'm waiting for these to grow a little bit more to provide more oxygen and stuff. I will be placing more dirt on the sides, and this was a couple of tests which seems to be working well. It's just put dirt down and then pull out some grass just from anywhere, really, and just put it along the side there, and it grows and covers up the plastic, because eventually the plastic will deteriorate from the sun rays. Okay, so yeah, we're just filling up the pond, and we'll see how quickly the water comes back up again. Going down. I was having a relaxing coffee and noticed it started raining a little bit. Then I looked over at the pond and I noticed it's the most filled it's ever been. The most full. So let's have a look down here. Ooh. Okay, don't know if you can see that, but the water is all the way down. Maybe about 10 feet down. That's a bit of progress, but we're going to turn off the pump right now because the pond is full, and we'll see how quickly that fills up. So the pump is off we'll grab this and we'll pull it over here like this, and we'll fit it together like this. Solid. Doing that because I don't want to get caught out in a big rainstorm while the hose was over there. So if it comes down real heavy, I can just switch on the pump, and it's already connected, and it'll come out here. We'll just make sure it's balanced on. Yeah, it's all good, it's all good, it's all good, ready to go. The sky is looking a little bit grey, maybe threatening a little bit. The sun is behind these clouds, so we're a little bit grey over there, and a little bit, oh yes, yes, okay, that looks like rain, yep. This does not look good, it is not good. There's mosquitoes laying babies in there, so there are. The flowers are looking good, but oh no, the papaya trees, oh no, they don't look too good at all. Oh no, every one of them, oh no. Well, it's the end of Wednesday. It's time to go back in and edit this video for upload tomorrow, and before we go we might as well check the water. I'll turn the camera, the light on. There we go. So the pump is off and the water level has come back to the 4 inches. That's what we're dealing with, 4 inches. Okay, so good night everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We need subscribers, everyone. So daily vlogs coming in your eye holes and ear holes. So have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.